make some coffee. Espresso machine, turn it on. We're gonna wait for the lights to all come on. Also make sure you have water in the reservoir. Okay, I just filled some from this tin into here, put some in there. This is gonna be found in here. It has two little notches and they kind of fit those notches. You'll need to adjust the grind to what you're wanting here. And you can choose a single or a double. I'm going to choose a double, so I'm going to just leave that. All I do is put it in there and it just clicks. That's the right dose. Now you could just tamp it right here if you want. You could also pull out the tamper. Put it in, lock. Let me go ahead and put a cup under here. And then hit double. Pressure is good. You want it to be in this range here. If not, you need to adjust the grind. Looks like we're making espresso. And it turns itself off automatically when it's done. There's a nice little cut there. Go ahead and show you how I clean it real quick. So there's this in here. You knock out the knock box. There's generally a little bit left. So what I do is I'll just press a single, let some come down, kind of rinse it out. Then I'll turn it off, and then I'll use this cloth to maybe clean it out a little bit, make sure there isn't any residual there. Milk. So what you're going to do is you're going to twist this to steam, and you're going to actually move this right here. It's going to start spinning a little bit. Just kind of wait for it to catch up. Okay. Now that we see it steaming, I'm going to turn it back on standby so it's ready to go. And steam this now. So I'm going to turn it on. Turn on the steam. And once your milk is steamed enough, you can grab one of these towels down here, pull this out, you can go ahead and wipe it down, for this little steam, clean it off, put it there for the rest. From right here, in my milk foam. I have cups below, but I'm going to grab one of these and pour this in here. I could just drink this espresso just like that. Go ahead and there, there's a little heart.